Hi guys, it's Tony here. Welcome back to another episode. Today, guys, we're playing Island Time on Oculus. Let's go. I see you. I see you. Chill. Gotta chill. Alright, buddy. I'm finally back.
Oh, morning, pal. I just finished breakfast, so I'm all yours. What's on your mind?
Surviving. Surviving. That's what's on my mind right now. Been a little sick past days, you know. Chill. It's not that deep. Little bro.
Whoa. Everybody get over here. We got a survivor. We got a survivor man over here. What are you gonna do? You catch a fish with that now? What are you gonna do? You gonna get the bird? Not gonna coconuts? You gonna hold it?
Yeah. I'm gonna do everything with it. Stabby, stab, stab. Wait, you don't like that? Deal with it. Bip. Oh, my island now. Yeah, I took this over. My island. Pull yourself together, man. This is life or death situation, man. Pull yourself over. Pull yourself together.
You know how you eat things to survive?
Yeah, that's kind of the thing I do. Yeah, so true. Not really. Kind of want your hand, cause of. Think. Don't need that. That'll be my food bucket, I guess.
Oh my, that looks delicious. Can I please have some?
Nah. Sorry, you a crab, bro. You a crab. Fist bump? You a crab, though. So, can't really do that.
Ooh, it's that guy again. He's a total jerk looking for an easy meal. Try to scare him off so he doesn't mess with you.
Great.
Slugger, I'm so proud of you. That looks like eating dessert first, you know what I mean?
You gonna come down? Cause I'll stab you. Yep. See that bit? Okay. Yeah. We'll stabby stab.
What's up?
Hey. Just want to make sure I don't hit a wall. Should probably not put my stick there. Probably like put this and not like my important wood. Did not have insurance.
I hope it's the toilet paper I ordered. Also, you should know we're out of toilet paper, but I'm working on it.
That might become an issue. That might become an issue, buddy. Chill. You want to rock? I don't think you'll like that. Oh, need to eat a fish. A fish. Yeah, a fish.
Oh, golden fish! Wow, those
golden
are
fish,
really rare. You only see those
fish.
once or twice a playthrough if you're really good. Oof. Another day, another dollar, right?
More like a sand dollar.
You get it?
You get it?
Is it it's a turn of phrase you're used to, but then I put sand dollar.
Put sand down. No 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 no. No 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 no. This game's so fun when you revisit it. Damn. Oh sheesh. You're done. I think. Where's that my insides cooking?
Oof, you will never be able to reach that by yourself, will you? Here, I got it. Take this.
Take what? You suck? Oh, never mind. Well, you like that.
Oh, wow! Great idea! I tell you, you and me, we're going places. You're the brains, I'm the claws.
Whoa. What's going on? Why not? Don't need that. As long as that doesn't set on fire, we're good.
Do you have anything that might scare them off for good?
Unfortunately, no. I have a rock. Okay, you could take a shell. Fluff about the shell. Hey, 5 minutes.
Ooh, I hope there's no ants everywhere. See, I've had this vest and jacket forever. I just haven't found the final piece. So I just sit in this rock naked.
Alright. You wanna do? I sit around at home.
Go golden fish! Wow, those are really rare. You only see those once or twice on playthroughs.
Golden fish.
Really good.
I think there might be poisons now. I grabbed everything. It's done.
Oh, great. Even more of these chuckleheads.
Great, a chucklehead. That's great. My health looking pretty good. Pretty snazzy. You go away. I don't want you. Go.
Huh. Somewhere a carrier pigeon is out of a job.
Oh. There's poison. I keep forgetting to check. Honestly. That goes out, I'll just put this. I'm getting a coconut. Just for the keepings. We're doing well. Right, let's get our log on there. 6 minutes. We're coming around to 10 minutes. This is where stuff gets a little more harsh. Harsh cactus, yeah. This does not look like a sunbeam. Oh. Here, coconut. Shush. Coconut head. Coconut head on.
Holy crap! Talk about your circle of life. Let's hope old Ant doesn't get hungry for Carl. Hey, get back here! Can't you see we're starving to death? I mean, actually, I'm fine, but you, on the other hand. Ooh, it's not looking good.
What the fuck is going on? There's a fucking coconut.
Care package. Those have to be my prescription.
Is there a
lenses.
fucking
I
like
have no idea what
coconut on my head? You hear that? Damn.
Look, I get it. You're not very talkative. Totally fine. I got it.
What the
I'll carry
fuck
the load.
happened to my monocle?
Okay, so I know it's just logs and rocks, but grab them. Grab
It's
them
not
real
just
good.
logs
We're gonna
and
get
rocks.
through this together. That's
It was
what we
a
do.
monocle.
Carl and you. That's the team.
That is not the team. Sorry to tell you, buddy.
Oh, great. Even more of these chuckleheads.
Let's eat golden. It's not cooked? Go. No. Bitch. I suppose making that noise. Good. Poison. That guy I can eat. Okay, so it's just golden fish that's not cooked. Got it. Guy stole my only rock. What's that doing? Oh, nice.
This fish, this is the one. Very edible, very excited for this particular fish. It doesn't matter how many other fish have come before it. This is the one we're very excited about here on the island.
Okay.
Do you have anything that might scare them off for good?
I already told you this.
Shark! Oh, wait, hold on. Nope, that's Anne. Sorry. Hey, Anne! That's just Anne. She swims around, keeps the island safe. It's just me and the new person. We're on the island. What?
Yeah.
No, they're picking it up pretty well.
Yeah.
Yeah, they understand. They've been looking at the watch.
Oh shit, I actually haven't. Yeah, they've been looking at the watch. Me hasn't been looking at the watch. 10-minute mark.
I hope it's the toilet paper I ordered. Also,
You're
you
not
should
gonna
know
get
we're
your
out of
toilet
toilet paper,
paper.
but I'm working on it.
Another one of these. That. Actually, give me one of these coconuts. Okay. We got food again. It's been 10 minutes. Give me that. There's a big good. There's a good thing. There's a crate. They're ready for this guy.
This fish, this is the one. Very edible, very excited for this particular fish. It doesn't matter how many other fish have come before it. This is the one we're very excited about here on the island.
Damn. That's some gas. Excuse me. Good fish. Bad fish. Purple fish is not good fish. No, you don't like purple fishes. They kind of poison, you know? Kind of make you die. That's why we don't like that fish. Let's get that. Let's get that in here. Let's crack that. Go back on there.
Oh my, that looks delicious. Can I please have some?
No. My survival, bud. Just gotta make sure seagull doesn't take rocks. That's when it gets bad.
Hey, by the way, are you keeping track of time? Oh my gosh, what day is it?
It's 12.
My god, what year is it?
2025. You gotta go.
Do you have anything that might scare them off for good?
We shut up. That's fake seagull sound.
Incoming!
No.
Oh, the seagulls are attacking again! Who knew seagulls could be so terrifying?
You have no animation.
Look, it's a care package. Those have to be my prescription lenses. I have no idea what you look like.
You said you went to college. You should know how to see. If you actually did. Which you probably did not. I doubt you, my friend. Chill. Yeah, good. You're good.
So, something's happening in my life right now. New friend, you, which is great. Got a full 8 hours of sleep last night. Jealous?
Nice. I wasn't really, but nice. Got some good sleep, huh? Like I do. I'm getting nice sleep. It's been a little bit rough, but you know, you're doing well. There's a duck.
Do you have anything that might scare them off for good?
Honestly, no. I told you this, buddy. I said no. I don't know how many times I gotta tell you this. Still want him.
Incoming!
My
Look
big
out!
fish.
Oh, the seagulls
No,
are
I
attacking
can't
again!
get that.
Who knew seagulls could be so terrifying?
Look
Hey,
at that.
get back here! Can't you see we're starving to death? I mean, actually, I'm fine. You, on the other hand, it's not looking good.
What do you mean? I got everything I need. Kraken Man. Almost said Bracken Man.
Well, let's have the
good
silent
news.
agreement not to upset whoever those tentacles belong to.
True. I wanna. There we go.
Do you have anything that might scare them off for good?
I already told you, buddy. good. There's nothing for him to steal.
Alright, I'm not gonna lie, but this is my favorite part of the day. Whenever this crate of rain, oof, another day, another dollar, right?
More like a sand dollar.
You get it? It's a turn of phrase you're used to, but then I put sand dollar.
Sand dollar. What if it's sand in that one? I see. Let's get this
golden
cooking.
Fish! Wow, those are really rare.
Golden?
You only see those once or twice a playthrough if you're really good.
Not good fish. 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 Well, no more spear. We have no more spear. That's the thing. No.
Another spear. What? If I had hands, I would clap. Shark! Shark! Oh, wait, hold on. Nope, that's Anne. Sorry. Hey, Anne! That's just Anne. She swims around, keeps the island safe. It's just me and the new person. We're on the island. What? No, they're picking it up pretty well. Yeah, they understand. They've been looking at the watch. Oh, yeah, there's a giant kraken that lives under this island. Did I not already mention that? I feel like I already mentioned that. Anyway,
you didn't
he's
mention
cool,
that.
loves karaoke, keeps to himself.
Oh. What? Is there any other rocks? Oh, yeah.
Another spear. What? If I had hands, I would clap.
Can I throw that over there? Like to... And can I move this radio? Because I want to burn it. Kind of feeling like arson.
I get it. You're not very talkative. It's totally fine. I got it. I'll carry the load.
Come on.
Hey,
my fire.
that was my favorite song.
Sorry, bud.
Okay, it's like the zillionth crate I've ever seen, but this one is gonna have the raft in it.
You want a raft for me? That'll be nice. You actually did, which you haven't. No rock.
Oh, golden fish! Wow, those are really
Golden
rare. You only
fish,
see
nice.
those once or twice a playthrough if you're really good. Okay, bud. So I know it's just logs and rocks, but grab them real good. We're gonna get through this together. That's what we do. Carl and you, that's the team.
We are doing really good, guys. What was that? Come on, man. Got coconuts?
This is the longest you've ever been alive. Quick, share all your wisdom with me, please, before you die. You're not the first survivor. Please tell me so I can help the next guy.
Gotcha. I'm staying alive. So, wisdom. It's 2025. 911 to call for help. There you go. You needed that. Hey, can I have your hand? Okay. I really needed that. Fine. Your hand. $20-minute marks coming around. I think 20 minutes is all we're gonna last, guys. Yeah. We're dwindling down. A hot, heated sun. Always make it 20 minutes. Hey. That went down fast. And then stay up in the air for... Just stand it up in the air for 10 seconds. Yep. Here we go, 20 minutes.
Look,
Let's go,
a care
Survivor.
package. That could be the mugs I ordered online.
That's it, my friend. So long.
Well, buddy,
Backlit, Drew.
it's been great, and I'm sorry you're dead.
Alright, so I think that's gonna be it for this. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.